Hey, how you doing?
Doing good. How about yourself, man?
Good.
Good.
But I'm probably not going to. Because
But it's a totally different style. That's a good choice. You want to do that one?
I'm gonna just get like every color. Ooh. We should test ride. All right. We cut it.
ready?
Yeah.
Let's go put some new tires on your bike.
Yeah, I have the back tires new. I need the front tires.
Yeah.
You see that?
I just looked out the window and okay.
Can you tell like that?
Yeah. You know why? Because we're Harley Davidson certified.
Yeah. Well, the back tires new. Okay. Can't see
Where you
that.
guys riding out from?
Oh, we just rode over from Palmdale.
Oh, right on.
Yeah. So, well, okay. What other used bikes you got then?
Everything used I have right now is out in the front and over here. What kind of price range type of bike you looking for?
I want to see what the most affordable ones are, and then see if I like them.
Most affordable or best?
Both.
Okay. All right. Most affordable, $9.95, $79.95. I think this one's at 12.
Or something like street glide, road glide style.
Now you're talking. inside it's purple, outside it's green.
Yeah, I was. It is older.
That one's going for $23,495.
It's not too bad.
It's only got 8,000 miles on it.
Wow. What year is that?
21. It's the only year they made that color.
Wow, that is clean. That's the.
We gonna trade that in?
I don't know. I might want to keep it.
Okay.
Yeah. That is clean, huh? Yeah.
Like I said, it's only got 8,000 miles, so we've done both services on it. The customer is a good friend of the store.
Mm-hmm.
So Harley requires a 1,000-mile and a 5,000-mile service. We've already done them both. So bike's legitimately ready to ride.
Really?
And then I got this one. So this is a 21 Road Glide. This customer liked extras. So I put the chrome lowers on it, blacked out oil cooler, bars, grips, levers, mirrors, Olin's racing rear suspension, which makes it fully adjustable.
Oh, is that a rear shock?
Not air shocks. So what it is, it actually holds extra oil. So as the shock is going up and down, it's using the oil, makes it hot. So the more oil you have in it, keeps the oil cooler, makes the shock work better.
Gotcha. That's
Then you put the stretch bags on it.
Oh, yeah.
You're still going with the chameleon one, aren't you?
Oh, man, I don't know. How much is this one?
This one's $24,995.
And that one's how much?
I like the additions. If the additions were off that, I would be all about it.
She likes the back seat.
Not on anybody.
Yeah, I know.
This is called docking hardware right here.
Yeah.
That backrest will fit right here.
Yeah. I do like the chameleon. I like the
Yeah, when it's clean, it's clean.
Yeah. It's clean. It's clean.
Yeah.
The chameleon can get dirty and still kind of look.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I like the fact that I'm colorblind as hell, but I can see the colors in it.
Yeah.
I like that. And they only made it 1 year. Now, a black Harley Davidson,
Yeah.
they make a ton of them.
Right. True.
That one will stand out.
Yes, it will.
That one's you.
You like that one, huh?
There's a lot of ways to figure that out. If it's 23 and you put 10% down, which is $23. Say you got a 7 on YouTube.
Yeah. Okay. At Honda Harley, one word. Check it out. All kinds of different stuff on there.
To see how I look.
Yeah, yeah. No, I'll come back and see you. See a link and show you what's up. But yeah, we got all kinds of stuff from chases, to crashes, rides.
Not you crashing.
No. With tutorials, like I did the seats and the bags myself.
Okay.
A lot of different stuff.
That's cool.
It's fairly new. It's about a month old. I mean, I got a video with like 30,000 views. So yeah, it's growing.
I just got that 360.
Yeah.
I rode to Sturgis with it. I just got back yesterday.
Really?
Yeah. I'm waiting. I got to download everything and get it all set up.
Oh yeah, I love that camera. It's a 360. That's the X5.
Yeah, I have a crash bars on my road glide.
Oh yeah.
So I mounted it right here and then set up.
Oh nice. Check out Johnny at Antelope Valley Harley Davidson. It's great to talk to. Very informative, very helpful.
We're here to help you get on your dream bike.
Yeah, because this channel is about. I got the Honda because I couldn't afford the Harley at the time. My first cruiser. Right. So it's a journey from the Honda to the Harley. So it's known that the Honda.
Just so you know, everyone that works here has been here.
Yeah.
I had a Yamaha FC750
Really?
in 1986.
Oh, nice.
So I've been riding Harleys since 88.
So yeah, this is a known journey. You don't just jump to the Harley.
He's got 20 grand just to dump on because I want that bike.
Right.
We got to start somewhere.
Yeah, you gotta start somewhere. Absolutely.
But that being said, Harley does have options.
Right.
We have incentive programs. We have APR that we can help out. So even though the bike is $15,000 or $20,000, we have ways to help the consumer get there.
Yeah.
So they can afford to get on their dream when they're ready.
We might have to talk about that Tuesday. Got a phone call to make. Supposed to have a nice week.
Other side.
Other side.
Yep.
This is cool.
There you go. Swing your leg up and over it.
Oh yeah, you can ride that.
You think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
pink though.
Yes.
Yeah, I
Spent
think
a lot of money on that bike.
Oh, so then I should be careful.
It's literally one of a kind.
Wow. All right, we might get off of that one then. No.
Subscribe to Honda Harley.
Yeah.